In this video we look at how to reduce snoring and sleep apnea with this one trick. The pharmaceuticals have only two medical devices that have been proven effective for snoring and sleep apnea: CPAP masks and oral appliance. They're both quite expensive, and most people find them so uncomfortable, they soon stop using them. But a new study published in the journal Sleep and Breathing proves a simple, free trick as effective as at least one of those devices. The Dutch study tested a sleep position trainer, in this case by a company called Night Balance, and compared it with the effects of oral appliance therapy. Oral appliances combat snoring and sleep apnea by keeping your tongue from slipping down your throat and supporting your jaw in a forward position. The trainer, on the other hand, monitors your sleep position and, when you roll over onto your back, it gives a gentle vibration to get you to roll back onto your side. The thinking behind it is that your airway is more likely to collapse while you are lying on your back, with both your tongue and your jaw slipping backwards. The researchers recruited 58 participants with mild to moderate sleep apnea. 29 used oral appliance therapy, while the other 29 used the sleep position trainer. They measured the participants' breathing, adherence, and quality of life at the beginning of the study, after 3 months, and after 12 months of use. The breathing and quality of life of the participants in both groups increased by a roughly similar amount, and the numbers adhering to the treatment was similar in both groups. But you don't need to invest in a brand name sleep position trainer to test this out. Many people experience the same results from taping something mildly uncomfortable to the back of their pajamas, like a tennis ball. You'll soon dislike sleeping on your back and move towards your side. Or just try to focus on sleeping on your side. Often just paying attention to this will help. Neither devices in this study unfortunately cured snoring or sleep apnea, but they do help with reducing the symptoms. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell for notifications of future content.